welcome to another edition of WeTheCharts. So we basically saw the bearish engulfing after the break of structure around weekly supply zone, daily resistance, and H4 resistance as well. And of course, we found the confirmation around this level, and also at the same time, it was giving me an indication of a retest at the supply zone and moving average, taking all these cash flow to the downside, exposing some type of liquidation around 34,096. After a break of structure and a retracement, we took a position, and then we took another one at a retracement, and we just can't seem to be wanting to break the 33,819 area. And if you look on the lower time frame, obviously we see there's a support around here, but of course I will consider exiting if I break above 34,000 area, and of course like a retest and continuing bullish. I will close at break even or in profit. As you can see, we're $1,600 in profit, and we're going, but of course we're very close to our entry because we're consolidating around this area for a while now. If you come over here and drop this in here, and then let's say another one right here, you'll see there's definitely some type of consolidation zone around this area. It's also happened to be 23.6. I'm not really sure what the market wants to do about a couple hours until close. All I'm seeing is that the daily candle, it looks like it closes bearish. It went up, closes bearish, so possibly we can have the next candle closing bearish as well, and we can close above that 200 moving average. So I'm just gonna swing trade this, and I'm just gonna hold it over tomorrow as well, and I'm gonna consider the same risk management that I had initially, and my TP will be at negative 27%. We're expecting pretty good profit, about 9,000. We reach about 4.5k, and we keep just retracing back 4.5k, and we keep retracing back. I will keep trusting my analysis. As you can see, everything is squeezing in on everything, so the market is going to have to make a decision eventually. So whenever you see the market is like you have descending triangle pattern and then a support level, and everything is really like just coming into an end, the market is going to have to make a decision, and you can kind of see that it's bending down a little bit. So could be a possible another retest and going down, or it could just keep on going down since we're at a very heavy resistance area. But we will see. I'm not really sure. We could be retesting one last time and come down. We may just reject that 200 moving average and go down, since we already at that resistance level right here at the consolidation zone. So I'm just gonna swing trade it, and whatever happens happens. If we take a W, that'll be amazing. And if we take an L, then we're gonna manage our risk, and we'll make sure that we learn about what happened. Me personally, if I wasn't making so much profit this week, I would have definitely exited the situation a profit, but my plan is a little different. So yeah, we'll see how it goes, and I'll keep you guys posted. Just to follow up on this trade, we actually ended up swing trading those positions, and as soon as the Asian market opened, I actually scaled in with another standard. So overall, the trade played out perfectly. My only concern was the consolidation zone, which was around this level. So basically, if we would highlight this area, you can see that this area is a heavy consolidation zone around 23.6 area as well. So it's one of the main reasons why I held it, and also one of the reasons why I tightened up my stop loss, and I also had lower highs being formed at all times. High, lower high, another one, and it just keeps on going. So if anybody knows anything about Fibonacci's, you will know that at 78.6 retracement, which was the first one right here, at a resistance level of 34,096, it becomes a very slow momentum after that. It retraced so much that the bears and the bulls almost have a moment of equilibrium, that after such a big momentum of the bulls, it takes some time to slow that momentum down. And that's basically what happened in the mathematical world. A retracement of 78.6 retracement will have a slower pace than a retracement around 38.2. And the reason why is because of the physics, the quantum physics behind it. Um, so we came back, retested 61.8, again with 50, and then 38.2, and then finally when we picked up on the volume, we went down to our TP. We closed all positions, and I had my TP set already. So it's always nice waking up. All the TPs hit. I was worried around that area, so luckily we didn't have crazy exhaustion before we met. The only challenging times right here was really trusting your analysis, especially with people in the world trying to doubt you. You don't need to listen to that. They don't know what they're talking about. That's why it's not working for them. But when you have a complete understanding, you really have reasons why you make certain decisions. There is probability factors, there's momentum, reading the market, a sense of knowing your technicals. And hey, if your lower high is still being formed, it's only a matter of time before the support level gets broken. You apply so much force on something, at some point it's going to break and test the next level. That's basically what happened. So it was a beautiful week. So yeah, just trust your analysis, understand your PRZ levels on the Fibonacci's, and you'll be able to do certain things like that. It all started from the daily resistance, monthly, and weekly supply zone, and then we saw the structure time frame. So me personally, I like to build a case. Um, Everything that I do on the charts is analysis, but then once I make a decision, I gotta have reasons why I make that decision, and also the backup team. Basically, what if the plan goes wrong? Then what am I going to do? Luckily, in trading, there's three things that's gonna happen: whether the price goes up, down, or sideways. So in chess, at least you're gonna have to think about way more possibilities that can happen in the game, as long as you know the rules and you stick to the rules. On the charts, nobody's gonna tell you what you're doing. You're not trading the right way. So any type of these momentums, if I just like bought in high leverage in a consolidation zone, there's a big possibility that I can get wicked out or stopped out. I can sell closer to the support. There's a heavy rejection right here. So I know that I want to get on a lower high to sell. So that was big on me, knowing that I'm in a momentum where everything's just going down. If I can track the PRZ levels, I can just literally catch it on the next one. So 78.6 closed, 61.8, 50, I start taking positions, especially that I'm broke that structure time frame moving average, and now I'm testing it, and I'm bigging on bearish momentum like this bearish engulf. That's how it goes. You just let it run. Don't listen to nobody. Winner's gonna win, loser's gonna lose. So without further ado, guys, I hope you enjoyed everything that I'm posting. I appreciate the love, and if y'all have any questions, please feel free to write it down in the comments below. And feel free to subscribe, share, like our videos so we can keep them coming. Alright, y'all, I'm out. Stay blessed.